Jillian Michaels' gelatin trick recipe, right? Supposedly this thing helps you drop weight fast. Give me a minute. I'll show you what's really going on. You've probably seen this on Facebook. It makes it look like Jillian Michaels is sharing a recipe she invented, use the secret ingredient, and lose weight fast. So I scrubbed through that video. The secret ingredient is never revealed. What I do get at the end is a link where supposedly everything will finally be explained. Yeah, sure. That's where I started getting suspicious. But let's see where this sends me. So I click the link and land on another site set up like a blog article. There's an embedded video there pushing the same story, a miracle recipe you can make in your kitchen. They call it the $2 gelatin trick that's going to make you lose weight fast with 0 side effects. But that video is just an image. When I click it, it pushes me to yet another page. Right, let's see what's there. On that page, I finally get a big video, nothing but the video. Now the idea is that Jillian Michaels is on some TV show talking about this recipe she created. She says the recipe is real, fake versions online use the wrong ingredients, and she's about to tell me the right way to do it. I watched this video and I ended up with a lot of doubts. Let me show you why. First, look at this progress bar. The video is more than an hour long, but the bar moves fast at first, then slower and slower, so it keeps feeling like I'm almost at the important part. And even if I sit through the whole thing, the secret gelatin trick is never revealed. Instead, I get emotional stories. This trick helped regular people, helped celebrities, created a huge wow effect. But again, no actual recipe. Then I'm told the recipe isn't easy to make on my own, but lucky me, they've already put it into capsules with the ingredients supposedly pre-measured. And surprise, surprise, what I end up with is just a dietary supplement they want me to buy. When the video finishes, a button pops up. Once I click it, I land on the sales page, JellyLean.com. Here they're selling it in combos, 2 bottles, 3 bottles, 6 bottles, more bottles, lower price. This is where it gets even more sketchy. The product is hyped as a weight loss supplement, but on this page, they're also claiming it helps with joint pain, so the text doesn't even match the original ad story about fast weight loss. Then I get the trust badges, FDA registered facility, 100% natural, non-GMO. They're there to make me feel safe. In reality, they don't prove anything, and they do not mean the FDA approved this supplement. So what happens if I actually try to buy? I end up on the checkout page. Here we go again, 5-star ratings, more FDA and GMP logos, 60-day money-back guarantee, made in the USA, plus the usual pressure tactics, 35 people viewing the page, a 9.8 out of 10 rating, and 76,000 reviews. 76,000 reviews. Where are they? No links, no source, no proof. What I do get instead is more discounts, more today-only pressure, and more refund promises. But through all of this, they still don't show any real scientific evidence. There's nothing proving this supplement works, and nothing proving the gelatin trick itself works either. So let's dig a little deeper and look up the domain. Here's what I find. JellyLean.com was registered just a few weeks ago, brand new, and the owner's details are hidden behind a privacy service. A real company tied to celebrities and TV shows is not going to hide like that. That's a red flag. Now remember the videos pushing this Jillian Michaels gelatin trick recipe story? They're built from real footage, pieces of shows, Instagram videos, real clips taken out of context. But the audio is changed, the voice is replaced, and the message is rewritten to push this gelatin trick pitch. So yes, the original footage is real, but the version the scammers use, fake voice, fake script, fake context. And about Jillian Michaels herself, she has publicly warned people that scammers are using AI deepfakes and stolen footage of her to sell sketchy weight loss products. Exactly this stuff. Gelatin trick, gelatin hack, magic recipes, miracle supplements. She has said very clearly that she has nothing to do with these ads, these pages, or these products. They're abusing her name and image. So this so-called gelatin trick recipe simply does not exist the way they're presenting it. There is no secret ingredient they're hiding from me, and again, Jillian Michaels has nothing to do with this recipe, this sales setup, or the people running it. So if you were looking at this and thinking, something feels off, you're not crazy. The fake TV framing, the fake progress bar, the recipe that never appears, and the hard sell for an anonymous supplement, that's exactly how these scams usually work.